In this video, I'm going to share the determination of 6 preservatives in food, cosmetics, and personal care products. When we go supermarket, we will check the ingredients and nutrition labels of the food and consumer products. With respect to consumers' health, it is important to control the amount of preservatives in the food products. What are preservatives? Preservatives are substances added to inhibit or prevent the process of fermentation, acidification, or deterioration of foodstuffs caused by microbial contamination. They are also added in cosmetics and personal care products to maintain quality and safety. Excess amount can be harmful to health. Minimum permissible concentrations are regulated to ensure safety for the consumers. As such, the analytical determination of preservatives is important. The target preservatives in this analysis are benzoic acid, sorbic acid, and 4 parabens, which are methyl, ethyl, propyl, and butyl parabens. Let's start with the sample preparation. Several commercially available food, cosmetic, and personal care products were used as samples in this analysis. Weigh each sample into a centrifuge tube respectively. Then, add HPLC grade methanol into each centrifuge tube. Followed by perform mixing by a vortex mixer to extract the target compounds. The sample were then brought to centrifugation and filtered by 0.22 micron PTFE filter units. The dilution step may be required for certain samples prior to injection into HPLC. Now, let's move on to the HPLC analysis. Shimadzu Advanced I-series HPLC with UV detector was employed for this analysis. To start the analysis, click Real-Time Batch and highlight the batch sequence. Then, click Start Real-Time Batch to start the analysis. The figure on top shows the chromatogram of 6 mixed preservative standard at 200 ppm concentration. As you can see, all the 6 peaks were well separated. And the figure at the bottom is the chromatogram of toothpaste sample with 2 preservative methyl and propyl parabens detected. The following figures shows the food sample and cosmetic sample chromatograms. The figure on top is the chromatogram of food sample and it shows that the sorbic acid was detected. The chromatogram at the bottom is the cosmetic sample with 3 parabens, methyl, ethyl, and propyl parabens detected. These are the overlay chromatograms of 8 calibration standards. All 6 preservatives were well resolved in less than 10 minutes under the gradient elution method. The linearities of the calibration curve of 6 preservatives were excellent. The figures on the right shows the calibration curve of benzoic acid and methyl parabens. This table summarizes the concentration ranges of the calibration curve, and the R-square values were all 0.999 or greater, and the calibration curve were used to quantitate the preservative in all the samples.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.